Hi, this is Nadia from LifterLMS, and in this video, I will show you that how you can order courses on your student dashboard. So you can display the courses on your student dashboard based on the order number, based on the letter, based on the enrollment date. So first, we have to visit our WordPress dashboard. Then we have to visit LifterLMS and settings. Then we have to click on Accounts tab. And here we have these courses sorting options. So by default, we have the order low to high in this courses sorting option, but we have others option as well. You can see we have multiple options. So the first thing I will show you that is course title A to Z. So when we will select this course title A to Z, that means the courses will display based on the first letter. So if I visit my dashboard again, and it's the previous settings, you can see the LifterLMS Quick Start course in the first position, then the advanced course, then the introduction course. But as we have selected course title A to Z, that means now the advanced course will be in the first place, then enhancing course, then introduction course. So now it will basically display A letter courses first, then B, then C, then D. That means it will maintain a sequence from A to Z. So if I click on View All Course, you can see the first course is with A and the last course is the LifterLMS Quick Start course. So we have another option that is course title Z to A. So we will see that now. So if we select course title Z to A, so the solution will be totally opposite from the first one. So it will show the first Z course and then the A course. So you can see the now LifterLMS Quick Start on the first place and the advanced course in the last place. Then we have another option that is enrollment date. So it will show most recent to least recent. We can select that as well. So if I click on here and save changes, so now the courses will be displayed based on the enrollment date. As you can see, now my enhancing course in the last position. Another option we have, this is order low to high. So order means basically we visit our courses. So here I have my 4 courses. And if I click on quick edit, we can see we have an option that is order and it's selected one. That means the LifterLMS Quick Start course will be on the first position. You can modify the order number, and if you the number you will add here, that will affect on the student dashboard this course position. So here we have introduction course and the order number is 3. That means LifterLMS Quick Start course will be on the first place and the introduction course will be on the third place. If you want, you can just modify the order number. So I'm modifying it. So I want it will display on the first place, the introduction course. And then we have to click on update. And the LifterLMS Quick Start course will be on the second place. So I will add 2 here. And now we have to click on update. And I will add this course order number. This will be 4. That means it will display on the 4th position. We have to click on update. Then I have the last course and the order number will be 3. So it will be on the 3rd place. So now if I click on update and if I visit and refresh the page, you can see the introduction course in the first place and the LifterLMS Quick Start course in the second place. So if you see that introduction course order number is 1, that's the reason it's showing on the first place. And the enhancing course order number is 3 if you check it. So you can see the order number is 3. That's the reason it's showing on the 3rd place. So this is how actually you can modify the order number. Also, we have another option that is order high to low. That means the order number 4 will be on the first place, then 3, 2, 1. So this is how this works. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.